I'm Brett Q, and I'm here today to tell you a little bit about these No Toil dual stage air filters. Check it out. Let's start with the oil. No Toil offers both classic pour-on oil as well as spray-on. Both are 100% waterproof and plant-based, which leads to better airflow. Along with that, these No Toil products are completely biodegradable, including this filter cleaner. You don't want to be cleaning your filter with gas anyways. It's so hard on it, makes them come apart. It's not good. It's also hard on your head when your mom, girlfriend, wife, whoever it is, slaps you upside the head for making the whole house stink. So you don't want to do that anymore. A couple other cool facts about these No Toil products. There's actually alcohol in the filter oil to help it set up quicker and help you get back on the track faster. It's also less toxic than most shampoos. Along with that, it's made in the USA. All these products available individually or as a multi-pack from MotoSport.com.